Alright everyone, welcome back. Thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. Got some bad news. The job site that I started today is the top secret job site, which I can't take pictures and videos of, although the area that I'm working is literally just like cubicles and stuff, so nothing really top secret in there, so I don't think it would be a big deal, but I want to respect what my company asked for when I joined, and they said no pictures and videos of this job site, so I don't want to lose my job over this. So anyways, what I worked on today, and let me know if you want me to keep making these. I can explain my day on this whiteboard, but if no one cares, then I'll just skip it and try to do something else or do something in the garage, but I don't know if I can make a video. I have to work every day in the garage. Might run out of stuff there, but let me know if you guys want me to keep explaining my day on this whiteboard. If not, then I'll just throw it out the window and there might not be as many videos for a while. Just wanted to explain what I did today. So this would be the ceiling here, and this would be the floor. This ceiling is a T-grid, and the floor is concrete. So basically what I worked on today, I didn't even really start work till like noon. I literally ate lunch before I even did anything at work today. But what I worked on today was the power poles again. So these were like the power poles that I did at the school. In the library, going from the ceiling to the floor, just the metal square tube about maybe like 3 or 4 inches by 4 inches. So basically just putting these poles in the ground, and they're connecting to these cubicles. So this is the side of the cubicle right here, and let's just say it goes like this, and this is the other side of the cubicle right here. And they just keep going, you know, they're like I don't know, there's 6 of them or 8 of them in a row. But basically what I'm doing here, let me just, this is still the floor here. This is like the hallway right here. So anyways, what I'm doing is taking a power pole and putting it 6 inches up into the T-grid, and then all the way down to the floor right here on the side of this. I didn't draw this in the right spot, but I'm putting it like right in the center right here of the cubicle right here up into the ceiling. And so what I have to do, there's these power whips that come out, and so basically I'm putting this whip inside of this power pole right here, and I'm taking off the cover right here, and putting the whip inside of this bottom cover right here of the power pole. And basically what I'd have to do, there was a 90-degree connector on here. So basically taking these connectors off and putting on straight connectors, and this is Seal-Tight, LMFC Seal-Tight. So just putting a straight connector on here, and then basically drilling out the back of this power pole for this connector. And then also there's a little plastic cover piece that goes on around this. So you'll have to drill out the plastic piece and the back of the power pole, then connecting it and mounting the power pole plastic piece into the ground, which is, I don't know what you would call that. Anyways, it's the plastic piece that anchors to the ground. There's 2 holes in it, and then the power pole slides down on top of it. So I guess you would call that the power pole stand or something like that. So anyways, roto hammering these to the ground, and then drilling out the plates right here, and then basically just cutting a hole in the ceiling tile, the 4 foot by 2 foot ceiling tiles. So wherever this power pole lands at, just cutting a hole in the ceiling tile right there, and then basically just shoving the power pole up there, and then mounting this on the ground, sliding this down, sliding that in the ceiling, mounting. Actually been waiting on mounting these to the ground because usually putting the plate on and the back plate of the power pole, this usually gets in the way. So I've been putting this on last. So just drilling that and then sliding that back down when I'm done. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. So that's what I worked on today for the second half of the day after lunch, which was 4 hours. And today I worked 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. And tomorrow I'm probably going to go 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. Granted that we skip lunch again tomorrow. So anyways, everything went pretty well. I had to run to the store. I actually didn't start work. Didn't even walk inside the building for 45 minutes. And then as soon as we walked the building and went over what we were working on, realized as soon as the boss guy and the material handler left, I realized it didn't have the connectors, not the connectors, but I didn't have the roto hammer bit to drill the floor, and also the anchors to anchor it to the floor. So I had to run to the store, so that took about 40 minutes to an hour. So when I got back, it was lunchtime, and then we started working for the second half of the day. For the last 4 hours of the day, I worked on mounting these, and got 3 of these done, because the first one took like 2 hours, because there's a whole process of cutting the plastic back here. I had to cut just a giant hole because it wasn't really working out. But now that we got the system done, we got the first one done in like 2 hours. The second one was probably like 30 to 40 minutes, and the last one we got done in like 15 or 20 minutes. So definitely got it down now. Definitely know what not to do and what to do. So got 4 more of these. No, got there's 7 of them at least, so have another 4 to go tomorrow, and we have 1 connector left, and there should be some more connectors coming tomorrow to get the last 4 done. So let me know if you guys like this style of video. I know it's not what I want to do, and I know it's not what you guys are used to, so let me know if you guys want to continue seeing this. If there's one person that enjoys this, then I'll continue to make it. If no one wants it, if no one leaves me a comment, you won't be getting any. So let me know what you guys want to see in the comments below. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you for 8,800 subscribers, on the way to 10,000 by the end of the year. So excited about that as well. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd love to see you guys back in the next video, and appreciate the support, and I would like to see the channel keep growing. So hit that button, and check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your night. Peace out. Peace out. There we go.